So, hi guys, it's me, Aarohi again, Vivi, as y'all call me now. So, I actually created some dragons, you know that puppet dragons, that one. So, I actually wanted to show you, but I didn't. So, in the past few months, I actually created 3 dragons. One is my first dragon, it kind of looks ugly, I will show you. So, yeah. So now I'm going to show you my first dragon. It's kind of going to be awesome for the super first dragon ever. So yeah, and this is cool, you know. This is cool. Just look at that. That's so cool. Look at this. That's so cool for a first dragon. I actually watched a tutorial for this and it actually came out kind of easy, but I didn't know about the cheat. Because when I do look at this crushed teeth. It's got crushed into the mouth itself. So I did something. And look at the eyes, it doesn't look that bad, but it still looks bad. Okay, never mind. So yeah. Look at that other side. So this also looks so cool. This is the dead version of this dragon. So here, this side, they got fire. And for teeth, also they got broken teeth. And here also they got that crumbly when that fire, there's a little bit dust left. That I have put a bit purple paper because I didn't have any back. So let us look at that, my first dragon from the front. It looks so ugly for some reason. It's so lame. Okay, never mind. Let's go. First dragon completed. Okay. Now for the second dragon, I actually wanted to make a moving eye dragon. So I actually used my own theory on this. And after I did my third dragon, now I'm going to show you my second dragon. After I did my third dragon, I saw actually I was making the correct method of the eye moving dragon. I didn't watch any tutorials for the eye moving. So yeah, here, let me show you. Okay, I'll put the eye just here. Here's the eye. So this dragon name is Sarah because spades. She's in the spades team. So S is spades. Look at this. So S is for spades. So I named her Sarah. So yeah. Just wait for a moment, guys. Let me put the eye. Correct. Okay, brother's just singing something. And look at this. Okay, it's cool, right? And this is a girl, and I didn't do anything in the back. Look at me. Okay, I just saw a little peek of my third dragon. Okay. And I have to tell you guys something. What can I name this dragon, my first dragon? What can I name my first dragon? Please tell in the comments, okay? So yeah. Now that's all for this dragon. So I actually liked it. Let's see from the front for this too. Oh, this looks very much weird. There's no sights here for the side. Okay, this looks so cool. So yeah, on to the third dragon. So my third dragon is my second favorite Sanrio character. You know, Sanrio is the gang of Hello Kitty. So I created Cinnamoroll. She's so cute. Oh my god, I didn't know. I just created Cinnamoroll. She's so cute. Look, just wait. Sorry, just say. You almost broke mom's cup. So don't put my Cinnamoroll in any talking duet competitions because she can't talk. She actually can't. Look, it's very, very big than my hand. So I don't know. She can only do it in screaming competitions. Cinnamoroll is so cute. Actually, in the other side, I did another emotion here. And here it's not Cinnamoroll, it's just a bow. So yeah, do you like it? I even used some eyes. It's actually this eye looks so cute. I love it, bro. And thank you very much for learning me how to do this. So yeah, teaching me how to do this. I don't know what's this. I didn't tape it. So yeah, let me look from the front. No, this doesn't look quite right, but it looks okay. I don't think it looks okay, but yeah, it looks okay. Okay. Now let me show you 3 of my dragons. So these are the 3 of my dragons. This is whatever you guys name her, and this is yeah, Sarah, and this is Cinnamon Roll. So yeah, and bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Toodles.